The sun has become crazy and I forgot my light today, so I had to use this window as my source of light. But I don't mind. I just love the way the light is coming through and I'm going to have fun to kind of create this. Oh, Dennis, every time I'm telling him to handle my lenses with care, he usually keep on touching them in the mirror. So every time I have to wipe out his fingerprints, it's just crazy. What's good about it? Video on Belele. If you ever seen those pictures whereby a person in half, this side is red and this side is blue, yeah, that kind of pictures. I'm going to give you a tip to take them with, say, single light. So the other day I was shooting with my friend Catherine, and then we had this idea like to shoot those pictures, combination of color, like red and white. I had to take two different pictures. First of all, I take a picture in a red color, but when I was taking that picture, I balanced my light on one side, either left or right. So the other side will be kind of dark, and this side will be bright. Picture like this, exactly. That is a red picture, and then I took the same kind of picture in blue, but make sure your model doesn't move around or your camera, so you can always have the still picture whereby the model is at the same place and the light is the one which is changing. After taking these pictures, take those pictures, go to your Photoshop, open your application, drop your red picture, and then drop the blue one on top of it, align them correctly so they can suit each other, and then select the on top picture, go to the blending mode, change it into the lightning, and just like that, you have your picture. It's already balanced, so all you have to do is like go to do some little bit of retouching, light adjustment, and that's all. So it's that simple to get creative to get this kind of picture. I would love to thank my sponsors for this video, which are, as you know, I am Ambassador and I'm here to talk about Ocular Sounds. Thank you for sponsoring this video. What is Ocular Sounds? These are the guys who made the package bundle for you guys who are filmmakers and video creators, content creators. You can use these sounds to create your outstanding video and have amazing sound effects. So go on www.ocularsounds.com to check them out. It's so amazing. By the way, guys, that was it for today. I'd like to thank you for watching this video and try it out. Stay creative, all the way positive. Ebidi Wambelele is out.